we go work through a couple of problems we've been having. But the new water pressure sensor's coming. It's idling in gear at 600. The volts was a pretty big problem. I needed a new voltage regulator, but I've got the electric water pump. Electric fan and the electric fuel pump. So this regulator is good, but it's going to be gone soon because I will get a better alternator. But just leaving it in drive. But might as well have fun, right? No passing gear. I think I just reached down to do that. Just a normal drive. Brakes are good. But it's driving good. Goes through the gears. Maybe I'll set it up and do some aggressive driving in a minute. Still dialing some stuff in though.